All right, we're going to cover how to add employees and invite them to Eddy HR. And so you may be in a situation where you want to add your employees to the company directory, but maybe you don't want to have them create Eddy HR accounts yet. Maybe you're waiting to do it all at once, or for whatever reason, you're not ready to extend that invite to Eddy. And so I'm currently in a process where I'm on the last step of adding an employee. So I'm adding Quentin to my company directory, and I've gone through all the steps. And the last step is to invite Quentin to Eddy HR. And so we have this email that Eddy has created for you that basically just says, "Hey Quentin, welcome to Eddy. Our company uses Eddy to manage our employees and our documents. Sign up below," and the employee will have a button to sign up. And then you can add a personal message as well, like, "We're excited to have you," whatever that is. And then you can send that invitation, and the employee will get an email inviting them to Eddy. They'll be able to click the link in the email and create their Eddy account. Now, for whatever reason, if you're not ready to do that, you can click Not Now. And so what this will do, you'll see that Quentin has been added as an employee, but has not been invited. And so now I'm in Quentin's employee profile, and I can see this blue box that lets me know, hey, he hasn't been invited yet. And so I can click on the button to invite him if I want to again. Or maybe I notice that, hey, I entered his email address incorrectly, and so I need to come in here and edit the email address so that Quentin receives the invite. This is actually pretty common, where an employer will think that they've invited an employee to Eddy and the employee never receives the email. Well, sometimes what happens is the email was incorrect. And so you can always come back to the employee's profile and change the invite email address. And so I could change it, save it, and then invite Quentin again. One other thing I want to show is in the Reports tab, we actually have an invitation status report. So you could go and look at your company and see everybody who has or has not been invited. And you can filter this by location, by status, or you can search for a particular employee. So I can come here and I can pull up all the employees in my organization that have not received an Eddy invite. And I could select all of them or just maybe a handful of them. And then I can click the action to send the invitation to those employees. And again, I'll just have to fill out this email if I want to add an optional message, hit send, and now those employees will get an email invite to Eddy HR. So it's really simple to invite people to Eddy. And if you are ever wondering if you did or didn't invite someone, just come to this invitation status report and you'll be able to see the invite status of everybody at your company.